Welcome back, everybody. So today's lesson is over stem and leaf plot and dot plots. So let's look at a stem and leaf plot. Let me get my pen ready so we can get started. A stem and leaf plot help us to organize large amounts of data instead of listing it out as 68, 75, 77, 79, and 80, and so on. So in 5th grade, you should have learned stem and leaf plots. Do you remember how to read it? Why did I draw an arrow down here to the key? The key helps you understand how to read the stem and leaf plot. If you take a number, the tens place, and take a number from the ones place, 6, 8 is 68. These represent the math test grades. For example, 6, 8. That means someone got a 68 on a math test. 7, 5. Someone got a 75. Tens place, 10. This is the ones place, 7. So someone got a 77. 7, 9. 79. So there are 3 grades in the 70s. How many grades are in the 80s? 2 of them. What do I mean by that? 8, 0 is 80. 8, 2 is 82. How many grades are in the 90s? 4 grades are in the 90s. Can you list out the 4 grades in the 90s? 9, 2, which is 92. 9, 6. 9, 6. And 9, 7. So, now that we understand how to read a stem and leaf plot, there are questions you do need to answer now. So let's see. What was the lowest test grade? Another word for that is called minimum. Minimum is the lowest test grade. What is the minimum or lowest test grade? 68. What is the highest test grade? What is the opposite of minimum? What's the opposite of lowest? Highest or maximum. So what was the maximum test grade? 97. So 97. So that means it ranges from 68 to 97. So if you would like to find the difference between that, so the highest student score is 97, the lowest student score is 68. If I subtract that, can I take 8 from 7? No, I have to regroup. This becomes an 8, this becomes a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, 8 minus 6 is 2. There is a 29-point difference between 68 to 97. So it ranges from 68 to 97, or a 29-point difference. So how many students earned a 96 test grade? How many students earned a 96 test grade? Some students will say 1. I see 96. But is there another 96? There are actually 2 96. A 9, 6. So 2 students earned a 96. There was a tie. And how many students earned at least a 90 test grade? So remember, we learned in inequalities. Inequalities are like the less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So earn at least a 90. That means 90 is the least grade. It's not like an A. So 90 is the least someone got. So that means they could got 10, received 90 or more, or 90 or greater. Another way to say that is the minimum is 90. So how many? 90 is the lowest grade. I see a 92, a 96, a 96, and a 97. So 4 students earned at least a 90 test grade. So now that we understand stem and leaf plot more, the next data representation is called a dot plot. So in a dot plot, the title is, how long does it take you to eat breakfast? These are minutes to eat breakfast. So some students take 0 minutes to eat breakfast. I assume they swallow it, or they just don't eat breakfast. Well, we have this kid who takes actually 12 minutes to eat breakfast. So, how many students take 4 minutes to eat breakfast? One, two, two. So it's these dot, if you had a key, these dot represent a student. If I ask you how many students were surveyed, you would have to count out the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, how many students are included in this dot plot? There are 40 students included in this dot plot. How many students take 0 minutes to eat breakfast? They literally skip it, even though breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day. It's the fuel that gets you started, especially for school, to get the energy going. So 6 students skip breakfast. How many students take at least 8 minutes to eat breakfast? At least. That means 8 is the lowest minute it will take them. So 8 or more. So these students take 8 minutes. These students take 9 or more. So let's all of these dots. So all of these students take at least 8 minutes. I mean, 8 is the lowest number of minutes it takes them. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 students take at least 8 minutes to eat breakfast. And hopefully you understand more about stem and leaf plot and dot plot.